How to fix Spotify can't play current song on Spotify. Today guys, I have to show you the solution. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone, and you have to go directly to apps or application. Then here you will search just for Spotify, and when you found it guys, just open it like this. And when you open it, go directly to storage and go to the last button, clear that. Click OK, and you have to go back and click for stop and click OK. And then the last thing is go into Play Store and updating your Spotify. It's not a day. If it's not a day. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.